Hi everyone, how are you today? Let's start our English lesson. Please take your books and go to page number 50. Write down today's date. Today's our new theme is organic food. Our aim to present vocabulary related to food, to talk about organic food, to read for specific information, to consolidate new vocabulary. Now let's get acquainted with new words, listen to them and write down in your vocabularies. Then don't forget to learn by heart.
Animal welfare. Artificially. Feed. Nutrient. Organic label.
Okay, work with vocabulary. In a minute, write as many words as you can think of under each heading. Now let's compare.
Fruit: apples, pears, bananas, melon, grapes, oranges, lemons. Vegetables: potatoes, carrots, broccoli, tomatoes, lettuce, cucumbers. Meat: beef, lamb, pork, chicken. Dairy products: milk, cheese, yogurt, butter, cream.
Please answer the questions. Which items with the list below do you usually buy organic? How often do you buy organic food? Why or why not? Listen the opinion.
I buy organic fruit and vegetables because I don't want to eat food that is covered in pesticides. I don't buy organic meat and dairy products because they are not readily available and they are very expensive.
Please watch the video about organic food.
Save the environment and eat organic. We've all seen organic food and drinks at the farmer's market or our local supermarket. You can tell which products are organic by looking for the different organic labels on the packaging. Organic food is different to regular food because it is produced without the use of any synthetic substances. Farmers have to follow lots of strict rules in order to produce it. They mustn't use any genetically modified organisms. These are plants or animals that are artificially changed to grow faster or be resistant to disease. They have to avoid chemical pesticides, but can use biological pesticides instead. One example is using ladybirds to eat the aphids that damage crops. Synthetic fertilizers must never be used on crops. Farmers can only use organic compost made from food and animal waste as a fertilizer. Organic farming also promotes animal welfare. In fact, the animals can only have organic feed, and they must have good living conditions. Organic farmers don't use synthetic hormones to increase the animal's growth or milk production. They also avoid medicines, such as antibiotics, to prevent and treat infections. When we take all this into consideration, we can see why organic food is good for us and the environment too. Studies have also found organic produce to contain more beneficial nutrients and antioxidants than their non-organic equivalents.
In exercise 3, you have to read the text on page 50 and mark the sentence as true, false, or doesn't say. Let's check. People have recently started eating organic food. It is true. According to the text, many people are replacing unhealthy snacks with organic foods in an effort to take better care of themselves. Only items that are 100% organic can have an organic label on them. It's false, because in the text it said some foods such as fresh produce or meat are certified 100% organic and other foodstuffs. For example, bread may not be totally organic, but might contain some organic ingredients. Biological pesticides are not as effective as chemical ones. There is no information in the text. That is why it doesn't say. On organic farms, compost is used as fertilizer. It is true because according to the text, farmers can only use organic compost made from food and animal waste as a fertilizer. Synthetic hormones are used to prevent disease in animals. It is false. In the text, it said organic farmers don't use synthetic hormones to increase the animal's growth or milk production. And last one, non-organic foods are higher in antioxidants. It is false because studies have found organic produce to contain more beneficial nutrients and antioxidants than their non-organic equivalent. In exercise 4, you have to fill in hormones, compost, ingredients, produce, welfare, and pesticides. Let's check. Organic farming methods protect animal welfare. This bread contains some organic ingredients. Some animals are given hormones to make them produce more milk. Local produce is fresher because it doesn't need to travel before it's sold. Many farmers spray their crops with chemical pesticides to prevent pest damage. You can easily make compost from your kitchen and garden waste. Homework. Exercise 5. You have to answer the question. How do non-organic farming methods have a negative impact in the environment? The lesson is over. Good luck to everyone.